Hey, let me show you how you can charge your Xiaomi Watch 2. So we've got only one method. If you wonder about the wireless charger, unfortunately it doesn't work. But if you grab this charger from your box, you can actually plug it straight into your watch. So as you can see right here, we can find the gold pins that we have to actually input just right here. So let me do this. It looks like this. Quite simple and obvious. And now if you wonder about this second end, so as you can see we've got the USB-A, you can actually connect it into any charging brick that you have around you. So in my case, I'm going to show you that here I have my charger from the old Huawei phone, from the P30 Pro, and I still use it with this watch. You can also plug this USB-A into your PC, to your game console, to the power bank, but also into your smartphone if you have this adapter, or for example the USB-C end cable. There we go. Now we can plug it straight into your phone, to the USB-C, and now we can find information that your watch is charging. And that's basically it. That's quite simple, but if you don't know some stuff from this video, probably you will know everything right now. It actually doesn't matter what kind of the charger you are using. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.